Disconnect the two antenna cables. Remove the single retaining screw to raise the card. Pull the wireless WAN card from the connection. Insert the wireless WAN card into the connection. Install the single retaining screw. Connect the orange antenna cable to the jack labeled main. Connect the blue antenna cable to the jack labeled auxiliary. Insert the wireless LAN card into the connection. Install the single retaining screw. Connect the gray antenna cable to the jack labeled main. Connect the black antenna cable to the jack labeled auxiliary. Disconnect the two antenna cables. Remove the single retaining screw to raise the card. Pull the wireless LAN card from the connection. Remove the single captive screw. Push the optical drive out of the chassis. Slide the optical drive into the chassis. Tighten the captive screw. Disconnect the coin cell battery cable from the system board. Carefully pull the coin cell battery from the chassis. Place the coin cell battery onto the chassis using the adhesive to attach it. Connect the coin cell battery cable to the system board. Disconnect the fan power cable from the system board. Loosen the four captive screws in ascending order as follows. Screw number 1, 2, 3, 4. Loosen the one remaining captive screw closest to the system fan. Carefully lift the fan assembly from the chassis. Place the fan assembly into the chassis over the microprocessor and GPU. Fasten the single captive screw closest to the system fan. Fasten the 4 captive screws in descending order as follows: 4, 3, 2, 1. Connect the fan assembly cable to the system board.